Welcome to How to Web. Want to unlock some awesome rewards in Bloons TD6? Here's how to redeem the latest codes. First, open the game. Start by launching BTD6 on your device. Go to the menu. From the main screen, click on the Options button. Then click on the Enter Code option. Look for the Enter Code field. It's where you'll input the code to get your rewards. Then you have to enter the code. Input the latest code you have found, making sure it is typed correctly. Codes are often case sensitive, so check for any uppercase or lowercase characters. And then you have to confirm and redeem. To confirm and redeem, you have to follow these steps. After entering the code, press enter to redeem your reward. You'll see a confirmation message and get your items. Here's the bonus for you. Where to find the codes? Keep an eye on the official BTD6 social media pages for the latest sports, or check fan sites and communities for active promotions.